guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be redoing a video I did a couple years ago. I was unboxing a pair of Oakley sunglasses. It got a lot of reception, but a lot of negative reception just because of the way the video was taken. You could only really see my dresser, which by the way I still have, but I'm going to redo it. It's not the traditional unboxing because it's like I've had them for 2 years, but let's do this anyways. Without the box, so because these are kind of custom, kind of not, but they come with the fancier hard case. It's almost like a, get it closer to the camera, it's almost like a greenish tinge to it, kind of a carbon fiber look and feel. It's a really nice hard case, like it definitely protects sunglasses well. Now I'll open it up and show you. It also comes with a kind of a soft material pouch that you can also keep them in if you don't want to keep them in that. I generally just leave this in the case and then put the sunglasses on top of this. So I'll just give you a good look at that. It's just you know, it's got a string here so you can, whoops. It's got a string here so you can tighten it up. So just throw that aside. So these are the actual sunglasses themselves. These are the Oakley Latch Alpha with the Prism Sapphire polarized lenses. Now the actual frame here, this actually feels like it's not plastic, it's more like an aluminum frame. And you kind of got the more, you know, the Oakley temples, whatever you call them. But yeah, I don't know if you can see, I'll try and get a close-up. There's these clips on each side, and what they do is so you can latch them on, clip them onto your shirt. That's why it's kind of called the Oakley Latch. So you can kind of just, you know, instead of leaving them on your head, you can just clip them to your shirt. We'll give you a good look, because my last video I did not. So I'll just give you a good look at the side and the rear, and I'll actually wear them for you guys just so you can see what they feel like. Now, I will add, you can put in prescription lenses once you get them. I guess you can go through your optometrist to actually get prescription sunglass lenses for these if that's what you need. So these are what they actually look like on me. Just give you a good look. Now I've been using these for 2 years. I've taken like, I babied them. So there's like no scratches on the lenses, none of that, but they've really held up well over the last couple of years. I use them for driving, you know, home from work. They really help to block out the sun so I can see better when it's like right in my face. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll just kind of give you another good look at the back there. If you can kind of see here, that's where the little clips are that you can clip them to your shirt. So there you have it. These run for, I have it on the website, these run for $316 US. So they're a little bit pricier, but the quality's there. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I do mostly tech videos, but I thought I would change it up this time. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoy. See you next time.